Hi, I'm Ingrid Joana Alvarez. I live in the city of Cali, the branch of heaven. I like to dance. I live with my husband, mother-in-law, and son. Great for us in San Andres. I went with my family and a group of friends. I was happy because I fulfilled my parents' dream of knowing the sea. I only paid the passages from there because my husband paid for the hostel. I lacked in the it alone because there were many places to visit: the aquarium, the windmill, the island of Rocky Key. We stayed 5 days, 4 nights. We returned 2 weeks ago because I started working Tuesday. The climate of San Andres is very sunny with a gently breeze. It is better to pay the tithe of the island in your city. It is important to wear sunglasses. It is recommended to use sunscreen. It is necessary to use bridge shoes. It is important not to throw garbage into the sea. Important to take many photos. Important to enjoy every landscape of the islands. What you should do if you want to go to San Andres, do not forget to try the typical dish of the island. It would be better to take a go mask to enter the scene and take advantage of the variety of fitness, beautiful flora, and the marine fauna unique to the place. What you should do? You must now enter the ship at night. I will be better if you do not go Shiva on the May Black to the island is very short and expensive.